everybody, and welcome to another update. It's been a while, so I thought I'd do a quick one just to let you know where I'm at. The bike is basically done. Just do a quick walk around here. So the bike is basically done. Where I'm at the moment is the lock that went through here that I had rekeyed for the seat release mechanism here. Basically it broke. There was one of the chambers inside of it had a crack in it, and when you turn the key it would just thunk over and it wouldn't actually do what it's supposed to do. So I've had to pull that off again, and I've sourced what seems to be the only one available in the country, and that's now sitting at a local motorcycle wrecker here in town, and I'm going to pick that up next week, send that in to be rekeyed again, which is a little bit of a frustration, and but it is what it is. So I've located another lock, and it really did seem like it was the only one available in the country. So next week I'll pick that up and get that rekeyed. Now over here on the front, I've got the headlight in. This piece goes in there, and this piece here was this is the original piece. Now as you can see, there's a couple of pieces that were broken. I tried to obtain another one, and the only one that I found that was in good order was in the UK. They wouldn't send it to me because they said they couldn't get a box small enough to be dealt with by their post, which is just silly. I think what it was just too hard to deal with the paperwork for customs and doing an international postage. But however, this is the original one. Now if you see here, that's been plastic welded there, and there's a break there, but it's too thin to be able to plastic weld that. Here in this dull part, he plastic welded and built that up. That part was broken away. Now what that does is it sits in here with the rear vision mirrors coming out the side there, and I have a new windscreen that was made up by Eagle Screens in Perth, Australia. They did the new windscreen for the purple CBR that I had. That one had a slightly darker tint to it. So this is the original windscreen that came with the bike, and it looks like it's been rattle canned, sprayed black, so I didn't want to use that. So I have organised from Eagle Screens in Perth, Australia, a replacement one. They've got the templates to make new windscreens, and as you can see here, there's a new one here. It's got a wind lip at the top. It's got a slight tint to it. The one that I had made up for the purple CBR, that had a darker tint to it. But so I've got a new windscreen that seats inside here, on here. So what I've got to do is re-drill a hole the right size, and I've got these are well nuts, rubber mounted well nuts. They have a little nut in them that the windscreen screws down onto. So I need one there, and I need to drill a hole and put one there, and then I can attach the rear vision mirrors. I need to go into McDonald's, not the burger place, but there's a place in town that sells all of the obscure nuts and bolts and washers and stuff like that, so I can get another bolt that I need to put the mirrors on. But the bike is basically finished. I just need to fix up the windscreen, put the mirrors on, put the lock back in, and get that rekeyed. And as I said previously too, the The number plate has had one of the numbers rubbed out, so I'm going to, when I get a can of spray paint to do the part on that black part on the front, once I've drilled that hole, give that a quick spray, and I'll use that to redo the numbers on the number plate. But here we have it. The bike is basically finished. Just a couple of annoying little bits and pieces I need to do that I have to hurry up and wait for. So the seat release lock next week, pick that up, take that in to be rekeyed, fix up the front part, mount the new windshield on, put the mirrors on, and after that I'm going to take it into Honda with the other CBR that I had. I took that into them, and I see under here there is...
Hey, what happened?